To our gorgeous school principal, Dr. Daisy May M. Sabihon, to our proud parents, my co-teachers, to you, dear pupils who will be receiving their awards today. Good afternoon! Maayong hapon sa tanan! It is with great pride and joy that I welcome you all to this meaningful occasion, our Recognition Day. Today, we gather not just to celebrate achievements, but to honor our hard work, perseverance, and dedication to the dedication of our dear learners. This event is a testament for the countless hours of studying, the challenges overcome, and the determination shown by each pupil. Behind every award is a story of effort, discipline, and the unwavering support of teachers and parents who guided them all along in their studies. To our awardees, you are an inspiration. Your achievements remind us that our success is not measured only by the medals you will be receiving or certificates, but by the courage to strive and the willingness to learn. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your continuous support and encouragement. And to our teachers, your passion and commitment have made a lasting impact on the lives of our learners. As we begin this program, let us celebrate not only excellence, but also the journey that brought us here today. Once again, welcome, and let us make the celebration truly memorable. Thank you and magandang hapon po sa lahat.